Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. We start a new chapter, that is the use of to, at, in, and into. So let's start. We say go माने means जाना कहीं, come माने आना, travel मतलब घूमना, etc. to a place or event. To a place, like for example, go to China. Mm, go to China. गो बैक टू इटली. गो टू चाइना, गो बैक टू इटली. वापस जाओ, कहीं जाना. लाइक यू कैन सी दिस डायग्राम दैट टू दैट प्लेस और इवेंट. रिटर्न टू लंदन, वापस आना. टू रिटर्न टू लंदन. गो टू वर्क, वर्क के लिए जाओ, कहीं जाना. और इवेंट, प्लेस और इवेंट पे. गो टू बैंक, गो टू ए पार्टी. कम टू माई हाउस, ड्राइव टू द एयरपोर्ट और बी टेकन टू हॉस्पिटल. When are our friends going back to Italy? Not going back to Italy. When are your friends going back to Italy? Three people were injured in the accident and taken to the hospital. कहीं उन्हें ले जाया गया प्लेस पे और इवेंट पे. गो टू प्लेस और कहीं ले जाना, प्लेस और इवेंट के लिए. फॉर दैट वी यूज़ टू. In the same way, we say welcome to, a trip to, a visit to, or on my way to. Welcome to our country, not welcome in. We say, in the same way, we say welcome to our country. We had to cancel our trip to Paris. हमें अपनी had to करना है cancel our trip to Paris. Compare to for a movement, and in or at for position. So to वी कंपेयर लाइक टू और इन में ये फ़र्क है कि इसको हम मूवमेंट के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, पोजीशन के लिए. यानी दे आर गोइंग टू फ्रांस, दे कैन कम टू अ पार्टी. दे लिव इन फ्रांस, आई विल सी यू एट द पार्टी. सो टू वी यूज़ फॉर मोमेंट एंड फॉर पोजीशन. I say I have been to a place or an event. Like I have been to, we say I have been to a place or event. I have been to Italy 4 times, but I have never been to Rome. मैं इटली 4 बार जा चुका हूँ, बट मैं कभी नहीं गया. I have been to Italy 4 times, but I have never been to Rome. कहीं जाना और कहीं से वापस आ जाना. For that we use been. Amanda has never been to football match in her life. उसने कभी नहीं खेला. never been to football, नहीं, मैच के लिए नहीं गई. Amanda has never been to football match in her life. Get and arrive. So I hope till this point you understand well. Get and arrive. We say get to a place. They got to the hotel at midnight. Get to मतलब कहीं जाना. Get to a hotel at midnight. What time did you get to the party? We get to a place. We got to the hotel. We get to the party. We say arrive in or arrive at. We say arrive in a town, in a or city. They arrive in Madrid or in Spain a week ago. For other places, building, etc., or even we say arrive at. We use arrive in a country or say town. Other places, building, or even we use arrive at. They want it. What time did you arrive at the hotel, at the airport, at the party? किसी भी प्लेस पे हम पहुंच रहे हैं, मीन्स बिल्डिंग है, इवेंट हो रहा है. फॉर दैट वी यूज़ एट. बट कंट्री, एज वी लर्न अर्लियर इन द अर्लियर लेक्चर, दैट वी यूज इन फॉर a town or country. Home, we say go home, come home, get home, arrive home, on the way home. No preposition. Home के साथ कोई भी preposition नहीं लगता. We never preposition नहीं लगता. We directly use verb and home. We do not say to home. What time did you get home? I meet Lisa on my way home. We never use any preposition with home. Into, go into, get into, enter करना. किसी रूम में, बिल्डिंग में, कार में एंटर करना. ये है एंटर, अंदर नहीं जाना है, बस पहुंचाना है, रास्ता दिखाता है टू. और इनटू, इन जाना है बिल्डिंग में. आई ओपन द डोर, वेन इनटू द रूम एंड सैट डाउन. A bird flew into the kitchen through the window. Every month my salary is paid directly into bank account. Means we use into जब हम किसी के अंदर जा रहे हैं, ठीक है. With some verb, especially go, get, put, we often use in instead of into. I got in the car and drove away. She got into the car. और लिख सकते हैं, but we often use in instead of into. I read the letter and put it back into the envelope or in the envelope. The opposite of into is out to. Opposite of into is out to. She got out of the car and went into the shop. She got out means बाहर आना. Got out into अंदर जाना. Got out of the car and went into a shop. वो कार से निकली and शॉप में गई. For bus, train, plane, we usually say get on or get off. We got on the bus and never saw her again. She got on the bus and never saw her again. I never saw her again. You need to get off at the next station. Get on or get off. निकलना, get off, get on अंदर जाना. So for bus, train and plane we usually use get on or get off. So let's revise again. So in this lecture we learn about to, at, in, into. So in this chapter we compare at and in, as we already learned about this in the previous lecture. So let's understand first what is to and into. So basically to is that when we enter at some want to enter to place, it is the like not destination. We do not enter. If we enter then we use into, अंदर जाने के लिए. बट अगर कहीं जाना है तो वो रास्ता जो दिखाता है वो टू दिखाता है. Like for example, we say go to China, go back to Italy. कहीं पर जाना किसी इवेंट पे. Come to my house, drive to the airport, taken to hospital. Then in the same way we say welcome to, a trip to, a visit to, on my way to. Compare to and in at position. To for moment and in and at for position. And for I have been to, for event or place we use to. Then get, arrive. Get to a place, arrive in or arrive at. So for get के साथ we use to and arrive in or at किसी भी place पे. Then home we never use preposition with whom. So go home directly, come home, get home, arrive home, on the way home. Then into, so when we enter into anything we use into, like in a room, into a room, into a building, into a car. Some verb, especially go, get, put, we often use in instead of on into. We use into but for that thing some verb especially we can use but we oftenly use in. Okay, then opposite of in is into is out to and out of not out of. And for bus, train and plane we use get on or get off. So that's all about today's lecture. I hope you enjoy and thank you.